What's going on, bitches? I am back again with another one, and today I have the Nike Dunk High Retro University, and the official colorway to this is black, gorge green, summit white. Now it comes in this standard red Nike box with some lovely tissue paper, and here they are. Here are the sneakers themselves. Just checking for any extra pair of laces. So that's a no on the extra pair of laces. But here are the sneakers themselves. You know, I'm just gonna say this. I think, and I do believe, these are heavily slept on. But I can see why these might be slept on. But the colorway and the overall looks of this, I just love what they've done to this. You know, this college jacket look, the college jacket vibe that you get from looking at this. It's just brilliant to me. You know, I love the chenille. I think it looks great because we've seen the same thing on the Jordan 1 highs, the women's release, Nostalgias, and I had to cop them as well. You know, there's something about that college jacket look that just, it draws me to it, man. I don't know why. But material wise, I have a bit of a problem with these. I think the leather is a bit too stiff on them. But that's just my opinion. I'm not sure what you guys think. I think they could have done a little bit better on these. A little bit of tumbled leather would be nice. This is that, you know, Jordan 1 mid sort of leather, the stiff leather. And that, I don't know, man. I mean, I'm not a big fan of that, you know. I mean, I was expecting a little bit more, and that's all I'm going to tell you guys. But yeah, I mean, look at the tongue, man. Now, you have the flap on the side, like you usually get with the Dunk Highs. But the flaps, again, not the best quality. But the sock liner feels nice. It feels very well padded. That's for sure. But again, bro, I mean, the flaps just feel a bit cheap to me. They look cheap and they feel cheap as well. That's just one thing I wish they would have changed on these. You know, like maybe like a suede flap would be nice with the suede lining as well. These would look very expensive for sure. Some tumbled leather on the toe box, maybe even suede on a, maybe even the entire green parts could have been suede. You know, it's just some ideas, something that could make this sneaker look extra premium. Some corduroy, you know, like they've done with the Jordan 1 highs, Nostalgia. The tongue was made of corduroy. But that's just my opinion, guys. I mean, do let me know what you guys think. Do you agree with me? Do you not agree with me when it comes to the leather? I personally think that they feel cheap, and they do look a bit cheap as well. But yeah, like I said, it's just my opinion. Now on feet, these are comfortable. Not the most comfortable sneakers I've worn, obviously, but these don't feel too different from an Air Jordan 1. I know most of you are going to disagree with me, but I sort of feel like these are on the same level with an Air Jordan 1 comfort-wise. Can you believe it, bro? I mean, I bought this sneaker solely based on the swoosh and the fabrics and the materials they've used on the swoosh. I mean, it's just crazy every time I think of it. We can't skip this review without the crease test. Here it is. Just creasing the fuck out of these sneakers. And I mean, I can see here exactly where it's gonna crease. It's not if, it's just a matter of when, obviously. Maybe it's something to do with the quality of the leather that they're using. I'm not sure. I would have loved to see some quality leather on these sneakers, man, rather than this cheap looking shit on the sneaker. Some suede, some tumbled leather would have made this sneaker 10 out of 10. There's literally no one could deny that. This would have been a 10 out of 10 easily. But I do believe the materials do let these down. But yeah, again, like I said, it is my personal opinion. But do let me know what you guys think. So here I have a little bit of a close-up for you guys, so you can see the crease that I'm talking about. And right there you can see there's going to be 2 lines of creases on the sneaker. But obviously it all depends on your feet, on how you walk. Everyone is different, everyone walks differently. So with a few wears, for me, these sneakers will start looking like this if I cannot prevent it. But yeah. So would I recommend these? So if the quality is not that important to you, which I sort of think that it should be, I would definitely suggest you go for them, because the colorway is there, the looks is there, the swoosh. Don't forget about the swoosh, man. The swoosh is there. It's solid pickup, in my opinion. No, like I said, if you don't care about the it's a solid pickup. If you don't care about that cheap looking leather here and there, it's definitely a solid pickup. But for me personally, these are a drop. I'm not gonna go for them. I will be selling them on. These are definitely not for me. I need that tumble leather, bro. I need that soft suede. I can't deal with this, you know. I can't deal with cheap looking leather. It's just not my thing. But anyways, guys, that's it for today. That's it with this video. If you have any questions, do let me know below, and I will see you on the next one.